In this video, I did a little shopping and I thought I would share the items that I purchased today. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below and then give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today I'm sharing with you the items that I purchased this weekend. Now I did some thrifting and I went to Walmart. So if you're interested in seeing what I purchased, then stick around. All right, I went doing some looking today and I saw that the Goodwill and the thrift store I normally go to were open. So I picked up some items here and some items here. And I did stop by Walmart and pick up a couple of things. I'm going to show you what I picked up. Now, the first bag here is from the... Now, here's the first item I picked up at the thrift store. Now, I saw this, I couldn't leave it there. As you see, it was marked $4. Excuse my stiffing, guys. For some reason, my allergies is kicking up today. And then the next item I purchased was this little candle holder. And it was $3. As you see, it was originally $8. So I think that's a pretty good price. Okay, the next thing, let me move these out the way. And the next bag is from the Goodwill. First item was these beautiful white candle holders. When I saw these candlesticks, I couldn't leave them. I thought they were gorgeous. I purchased all three, small, medium, and large. Now the smaller one was $1.99. The medium one was $2.99. And then the larger one as $3.99. Now I went to a second Goodwill and I found these three pictures here that I'm about to show you. I found this one. They're all animals. Let me make that clear. This one here, because I'm going to do a DIY with them, I was looking for the size. Now the price of the three pictures are $5.99. Now you see this one is an elephant. And then the last one is a zebra. I'm going to keep the pictures inserts. I like those. I might use them for something else. Who knows? And then this last picture, I purchased it at the first Goodwill because I was going to do the DIY with it. And this one here was $5.99 as well. But I ran across the three that were just alike at the second Goodwill. So I purchased them to do my project. The last one, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm going to figure out something. And then the next bag came from Walmart. I needed some light bulbs. And mind you, I got the wrong ones. They need to be thicker. And then I found this table covering. It's a denim look. And then I got these bulbs for my senses. The bulbs ran out of those. Now that is everything from my thrifted haul today. I hope you liked what I picked up. I really like the candlesticks. You'll be seeing those candlesticks soon in an upcoming video collaboration. The next item I'm going to show you, or share with you rather, is a box that came in the mail today. Now I got my Grove Collaborative box today, and I wanted to share with you some of the items that were purchased. They do pack them rather well, which I like that fact. I did pick up this Method dish soap. I'm liking the smell of that one, so that's why I purchased another one. And then I received some air freshener, or linen and room spray to be exact. And then I purchased some dishwasher drops from pads from Method. I'm trying a new one to see how it works. And then I got what I love, the cookware and bakeware cleaner pots. Oh, I love those. If you haven't tried them, you need to. I purchased 2 of those. When you're cooking and you have stuck on food or whatever, you can put that in the pan with some hot water and let it sit for a while, and it will clean it. And then I got the lip scrub. Now this is something new for me. I saw it on their site and I wanted to try out and see what it was. Never stop exploring. There's always something new on that very last screen. Now here's everything I purchased from Grove Collaborative that came today. And I like those pods because they have a different smell to them. And of course the lip thing are new. And then the new dish soap, because I really love the smell, as I said before. And the Method dishwasher packs. This is something new that I'm trying, so we're going to see how that works. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and as always, you be blessed.